So this is part 2 video. In this last class, we studied what are environment, what are the ecosystems, the how food chains will be there, then producer, consumers, then the flow diagram of energies like carnivores, top carnivores, herbivores, producers, sunlight, then definitions of how green pigment take energies from the sunlight. Next, what are the biomagnifications, right? Yes. So this is the last part of the video. In this class we study our activities affect on the environment. So how our activities is affect on the environment? How? So I written as the first ozone layer. How ozone layer? What is the connection between ozone layer to us? Yes? Yeah. So we are using now so many technical ways, so many plastic materials, so many non-degradable materials, right? Yes. These materials provide some chemicals which affect on the ozone layer. So this is one type of chemicals. So which create effect on the ozone layer. So it creates some pores and it gives some causes. It produces some diseases. Have you understood? So the ozone layers have very shield. It's a protective layer to our earth. When we are using so many chemicals which produce variety of gases which are very harmful to human beings and all living organisms. So this causes the ozone layer. The second one is the waste disposals. Waste disposals. How? So waste disposals. So nowadays you are seeing in your neighbors and in your surroundings, we throw waste on somewhere where we want them to. Is it road? Is it car? Is it park? No. No mention to us, right? Yes. So this behaves, it creates some waste disposals which create some problems to the nature and it effect on the our lives. Finally, this effect on the lives. So we are in so many plastic waste, so many ceramics. We are throw where we want, right? So this type of substance is not degradable. It's not decaying, right? Yes. So such wastes are effect on the environment by through our activities, right? We throw it. So this is our activity, right? Yes. So next study the low ozone layer and how it is getting depleted. So what is ozone layer? Then how it is get depleted. So see the first, the ozone. The oxygen has a 3 molecules of ozone. So main is a chemical nature ozone. It has a 3 oxygen molecules. Then we write as a O3. O3. So this is a oxygen has a 3 molecule. Right? Yes. The ozone is a poison. This is a poison. Next, it shields surface of the earth from UV radiation from the suns. So what they do? It's an ozone layer. This is ozone layer. This is our earth. So this is the ozone shields and the sun. Right? It protects from the UV radiation which are produced by the sunlight. This UV radiation. UV means ultraviolet radiations. Ultraviolet radiations. These ultraviolet radiations which are very harmful to us, to all living organisms in earth. Not only living organisms, in whole earth. So this ozone layer, this O3 layer, this ozone layer, it covers as a shield and it protects from the UV radiations. So the main function of the UV ozone is it creates a shields of surface of the earth and it protects from the UV radiations. So what is UV radiation? It is the oxygen has a 3 molecules and it's the poisonous. Next one, how it look like the ozone at the higher level of atmosphere. So where we locate it higher level at the atmosphere is produced of UV radiation acting on oxygen O2 molecules. oxygens. Then oxygen is split into free oxygens. So ozone at the higher level of the atmosphere, they will operate at higher level of the atmosphere. Then it is reacting with UV radiation, it start to acting on the oxygen molecules. The oxygen molecules means O2, which are present in our atmosphere, higher atmosphere. It is higher level of the atmosphere. So it reacted with UV radiation, it became a free oxygens. These are free oxygen. Oxygen. So O2 is in the presence of UV radiation will free oxygens. These free oxygen then again reacted with the oxygens which are present on the higher level of the atmosphere. Right? There will be the free oxygen. There will be also be oxygen molecules. Then finally they form a ozone. The ozone will be formed. So now know how the ozone is formed. Next study how it be decayed or how it may be depleted. How ozone is depleted. See, the ozone is decreases by the synthetic chemicals, the chlorofluorocarbons. What is the ozones will be decreased or depleted by the synthetic chemical. Which synthetic means the artificial chemicals. It's man-made, right? Which is chlorofluorocarbons. Right? What is this? We call it as a CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. So what is this? This CFC is a mandatory for all manufacturing companies. So nowadays we are using so many synthetic chemicals like CFC. So it is mandatory for the all manufacturing companies. So we are using some refrigerators, ACs, air conditioners, right? Yes, these are mandatory. So what they do? They release some chemicals. They release some chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons released. From that, there will be reach on higher level of the atmosphere. It depleted the ozones. Just. So next, what are the biodegradable? Biodegradable and non-biodegradables. The biodegradable means like a waste materials. What we have so many waste materials which present in our natures like waste vegetables, fruits which are degradable in our natures and which is very useful. It creates some chemicals naturally and it very useful. Then non-biodegradables are like plastics, ceramics, then polyesters, polymers, right? So these are non-biodegradables. These type of materials always remain on the earth. It remain on the earth. It never decayed or never destroyed. So these are the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So in this class we started about activities effect on the environment. What are the two activities? First one is ozone layer and second one is the waste disposal. Then ozone layer, how it is getting depleted. Then how ozone, what are the ozones, how they form, then how it reacted with atmospheric gases like oxygens, then how it will be formed, then finally how it depleted, ozone how depleted. What is the reason behind that? The reason is a chlorofluorocarbons. Then what are the biodegradable and non-biodegradables? So this is the very small sessions. I think you understood. So if you have doubt, you will ask me. Thank you.